My name is Carl Gray. I'm the owner of King Carl's Auto Repairs Incorporated. I've been in business for approximately 30 years. What sets me apart from most other technicians is that I have a passion. When I got my first car, it was an old Chevrolet Biscayne. One day it froze up and I didn't know anything about working on vehicles. So I started researching. Then I went to school and I'm still working. I'm still researching. I'm still studying. You never learn too much. I service all makes and models of vehicles, but we mostly service BMWs, Mercedes, Jaguars, and Lexus, mostly foreign vehicles. With today's technology, vehicles are well advanced. Most of the vehicles now have what you call a CAN system, which is a control area network. That means that you have various modules throughout the vehicle that are communicating and dumping information into a major processor. We have the most updated diagnostic equipment to service any make and model of vehicle. This is where I am. This is what I do. I love what I do. It's a passion. It's more than just a job.